Hi guys, very good evening. Welcome to Sunday's Kitchen. Okay, I hope today you all might be preparing varieties of dishes at home. Today is a special day for us. Um, Always will be busy having mutton, chicken, this, that. Okay, rarely we buy fish. Okay, but the fish is very important. It is very good food. If you take it, you'll be also like fish, always being active, and the eyesight will be very good and your brain will be very sharp. Okay, it's better avoid little bit of mutton and this chicken, and please make sure that at least twice a month you'll have fish. Okay, then today I'm going to prepare fish fry, and we'll see what all masalas we have to add in that. These are the masalas. This is saffron powder, chili powder, dhania powder, ginger garlic paste, and little bit of pepper powder, salt. And we need a lemon too. We have to squeeze this lemon in the fish after adding all the masalas, and we need oil to fry it, and we need ginger garlic paste. We need little bit of ginger garlic paste, and even the salt should be added for the taste. Okay, we have to add one spoon of we have to have 2 spoons of chili powder, 2 spoons of chili powder, little bit of saffron, little bit of dhania powder, a little bit of black pepper, and little bit of jeera powder, and squeeze the lemon in the fish after adding all the masalas, and then add salt according to your taste. Okay, see, now we added all the masalas, and we have to marinate and store for a little while in the fridge. Okay, now uh, there is no time to store it, already it is stored. So let's see the fish. See, the masala is added to the fish. Okay, okay, just shake it up with this. Shake it up with the masala. The fish is ready for the fry. um okay, let's lighten the stove. Take a pan. You have to take a nice good pan for frying it. Light the gas. Light the gas. Keep the pan on the stove, and after the pan gets heated, just add oil in that according to your how many pieces you're going to fry. Okay, I hope many of them like fish fry. In our house, Mahinder prefers fish. He likes a lot. Even I had lot of fish. I have lot of fish. More than eating mutton, chicken, and these all items, I prefer fish. Okay, I have tasted many types of fishes, kingfish, and I don't know few of the names, and whatever Mahinder buys and comes, I'll prepare little bit of curry, and a few pieces I'll fry, and few pieces like head and tail will be prepared in curry. Okay, that I'll prepare gravy, that head and tail. Okay, now I added oil. Just, you can see guys, I have added oil. Just put off the fish. After adding the oil, just leave the fish as if it's swimming in the water. Okay, and the fish will be fried nicely so that it tastes good. Okay, please you to try, buy some fish from outside, and take a nice good fish and just nice deep fry you make it, and see how tasty it is. Okay guys, and be careful, and few fishes have prawns in it. While eating, be careful. While feeding your children also, be careful. Just take care while eating the fish. See that you be side of them. side of the kids. Okay? Let's enjoy fish fry and rasam. Fish fry and rasam all will enjoy. Okay? Okay, see guys. See, you all can see the fry. Okay? Okay then. Bye. Catch you back later with another dish. Bye. Take care.